morning friends. In this video today we are going to simply discuss about how much time it will take to learn English. That means to learn a spoken English. Different type of people learn in different times. That means somebody can learn English in 1 month, somebody can learn English in 2 months, and somebody can learn English in 6 months, somebody can learn English 1 year in 1 year. So all persons reading efficiency and memory power is not same, so that's why all peoples are taking different times. If your memory power is high, then you can learn English in 1 month or 2 months. If your memory power is slow, if you are remembering anything slowly, then you can you have to take time. It is 6 months or 1 year maybe. So this is all about your efficiency, how much you can learn, how much you can remember. So you cannot define any specific time to learn English. So don't think so much. If you are don't learn English in 3 months, people are searching on YouTube how to learn in 1 month, how to learn in 2 months a spoken English. This can't be happen with everyone. This can't be happen with everyone. You can't learn English in 2 months or 3 months. It will take time, at least 6 months. If you know already vocabulary and sentence making, and if you are from English medium, then you can learn English in 1 month or 2 months. If you are from Hindi medium or other mediums, then you have to give it time. Then you have to at least 6 months, then you can speak English fluently. If you are not from English medium, then you have to give it time, 6 months at least. Then you can learn English fluently. Then you can speak English fluently. And if you are in English medium, then you can learn in 2 months or 3 months, because you know all the vocabulary, all the sentence making. And so don't judge you to others. Don't judge yourself to others. Don't compare yourself to others, how much the person is taking time to learn English. And every person's efficiency is different. So don't think about don't think so much about learning English. Just keep it and keep doing, and you will learn English one day. You can't learn English in one day, but you will learn English one day definitely. So keep practicing, and uh, try to speak slowly. And starting time, try to speak at least 10 minutes every day, and keep doing it continuously at least 6 months. Then you will become a fluent speaker. So this is all about misconceptions about the learning English. That means how much time it will take to learn a spoken English fluently. So you don't need to be harassed, or you don't need to demotivated. Be motivated be motivated always. And don't listen others. Don't listen what the peoples are saying about you. You can't learn English in 6 months or 1 year, and you can't learn English even if you are from a Hindi medium or other mediums. Don't judge yourself to others, comparing others. Keep doing and keep practicing. You will learn English definitely in one day, in uh, in 1 year. You can't learn English in one day, but one day you will definitely learn English. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.